Claiming work from home expenses during COVID-19 using TaxTron Web application. After reporting your income, you will be in deduction profile. The second tab of deduction profile is the first question. Did you work from home due to COVID-19? Yes. Click next. Did you work more than 50% of the time from home for a period for at least a month, 4 consecutive weeks in 2020 due to COVID-19? If it is yes, you can claim it. If no, you cannot claim it. If you want to use the flat method, flat rate, you will click flat rate, and maximum number of days you can claim 200. If you want to claim detail method, you will click on detail rate. Did your employer has completed and signed T2200 short stating you work from home due to COVID-19? You will testify, and you kept all your receipt. You will testify this also. After doing this, then you will enter the related expenses of your work you performed at home, which supplies your cell phone, laptops, tablets, your home office expense related to your heat, electricity, maintenance which is for business use only, insurance, this is for commission. If you are earning, if you does not have commission, you will not claim it. And property taxes, if you does not have only commission income, you will not claim it. So that's how you will claim work from home due to COVID-19 using TaxTron Web.